Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Emma Frost from Marvel Rivals in Dress to Impress. So I'm just going to remove everything except for the ones I did accessory adjustments on per usual. So for the hair, I used this hair first in this yellow color, FFC256 in short, no adjustments made. Select this hair in no bangs, same color, and rotate the Y to 0.26 to give that side bang look. Then I went to the world culture area in the closet. Also, you do need VIP and one like Robux item that you might be able to replace with a Sabrina Carpenter bodysuit. Basically, select this one here, color it like white and blue. I just did like this blue at the end. In default, position the Y0, Z 0.99, and that's it. For the outfit itself, I did use this bodysuit-ish in the second toggle without shawl and chains. I obviously just colored it a white color. And then I did use the like robotic set here from the spring collection. So I think I colored it like gray, actually I did the blue first. And then I did the gray, like the whitish gray color. I also used the armor here in white and blue. I used this blue 397E98. Then I also used this choker in like metallic, and I think I did like this kind of blue. And then for the boots, I did use the other robotic leg here in I think all white except for the last one. And then I also used the cape in only cape light air in this darker blue color, 183945. And then I also used the Brat boots here in like a gray. I kind of like made it similar in metallic. So like I guess this gray. And I think that is it. That is Emma Frost. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.